Before this video starts, I just want to say that you should like and subscribe for free. It helps me out way more than you think. Also, check out my Twitch account, L Teasers, to see these videos live. See you later!
This is the fourth VR video I made. I might low-key keep doing this. Anyway, what's poppin', y'all? And today, I'm a cat. Wow. What's up? Look at me, I look so cute. Oh, I'm a cute little kitty. Banana. Yo, this song's fire. Go! Go, stupid cat. Okay. Hello? Oh my god. Why am I up here? What's that? Is that a moose? Grandma, I'm afraid of heights. Hi, Grandma. I see my grandma. Wait, I'm gonna scoop her. 360. Bow! Oh crap. Meow, 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 meow. She mad? Is she mad? I'm just gonna call. Man, Grandma don't care. Best grandma ever, bye. Yeah, nice. Man. See you later, Grandpa. Oh my god. It's a cat. Look, Grandma, it's a cat. Go. I can't move. I can't move. No! I can't move. Grandma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
For me.
L, Grandma. Get. Get. Bro, it's Squidward's house. Oh my god. What? Yay. Grandma? What? Oh. Shit. Oh crap. Get up! Get up there! Grandma, you okay? Oh, hi, Grandma.
You've got to for me.
Oh, dang it. My grandma is chopped. My grandma is chopped. Ooh. What are you watching, man? Yeah. Yeah.
You get far for me.
360. Woo! Jump. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Eat that, Grandma. Okay. Burn! Oh! Boo! Well, Grandma's dead. Okay, let's go. Don't make these. Okay. Whee! Barn! Get pooped. Ooh, is that Whee! Okay, go. Let's get the hell out of here. Okay. Nice. Okay. Get up the stairs! Wow. Ooh. piano. F-A-C-C-D-D. Wait. Wait. F-A-C-C-D-D. F-A-C-D-D. Wait, I'm gonna scope Granny with this ball. Come here, give me that ball. Please. Granny, thank you. Good girl. Oh. Okay. Give me the ball. I won't let we're gonna cook a basketball. Get back here, ball. Oh. About it. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Yeah, I'm the best. This is folk music. Yeah, I'm the goat. 36. Hurry! Dang it. Wait. Hang on. Kobe! Boom! Yeah! Grandma, where is the treats? Grandma, where is that the treats? Grandma! Bro, Grandma! Oop. Grandma! Grandma! I'm stuck. Grandma, could you help me? Grandma, could you help me? Grandma! Oh my god, okay. Ooh, treats. Yummy for the cat. Nice. Take the lid. Give me the lid. Grandma! These treats taste disgusting! Grandma! These treats taste disgusting!
Finish here.
I'm sorry! Oh, that's it!
You'll be hard to for me.
That's what you get.
Here's a thrust.
Snipe! Yeah! I love beating up grandmas! Go turn! Yeah! Dang! Where was Fred looking? Yeah, I think she's fine. Oh my god, it's my poop! It's my poop! Grandma! Grandma, I got some chocolate! Grandma! Grandma! I'm gonna feed you some chocolate! This is totally chocolate! Yeah, that wasn't chocolate, that was my nuclear waste! Ha ha! You look like you enjoyed it. Dang, what's in there? I should probably...
Here's a thrust.
Sorry, you didn't like the chocolate I gave you. Grandma's so ungrateful, man. I gave her my nuclear waste.
You'll be hard to for me. atrás.
Pow! I'm the... Okay, I'm the best. I'm the best.
Conocido.
Ow.
Conocido.
Miss me! Miss me! Ow! Yeah! So Grandma just missed. What? L Grandma, bro. L Grandma. Get me. Get me. No. Grandma! Grandma! Stop chasing me, Grandma! Oh my god, my head's spinning. I'm going to... Oh. Get me, Grandma. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I post whenever I feel like it. So see you later, alligators.